Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Subway Surfer application on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Subway Surfer on your iOS device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store. Into the search box, type in Subway Surfer and perform your search. Soon after you find this application over here, tap on the download button to begin the downloading process. Subway Surfer is an endless running game which is developed by Halo and Cybo Games. The game starts by tapping the touchscreen while the main character is chased by an inspector and his dog. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Subway Surfers. Go ahead and select your age and tap OK. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping on OK again. Allow necessary permissions for the app and you'll be able to see that you've successfully downloaded and the game is ready to play. That is how you can easily download Subway Surfer on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.